the road in the prime area of Pune city.
Right, Imtiaz, you were talking about almost 25 to 30 people who have been injured, taken to about 3 to 4 hospitals around the area. Any updates you're getting from the hospital on the state of the condition of those injured?
Well, there are 3 hospitals. The major hospital is the Sassoon Hospital, which is a government-run hospital. Most of the injured have been sent to the Sassoon Hospital, and there are other 2 private hospitals also where the injured are being treated. One is the Karney Hospital, and there is one more hospital where these injured are being treated. And what we have learned is that in the other hospital, there were at the Harjeevan Hospital is the 3rd hospital. So one is the Sassoon Hospital, second is the Karney Hospital, and third is Harjeevan Hospital. The information that we have got from the Harjeevan Hospital is that there are 4 injured being treated at this hospital, and 2 of them were brought dead. 4 of them still being treated. The condition of one of the person is stated to be serious, and there are most of these injured people are in the Sassoon Hospital, the government-run hospital. But the police fear that there could be more number of injured people who may have been rushed to other private hospitals, and that numbers are still being collected by police officials who are spread across the city. The police commissioner herself, Meera Borwankar, camping at the Swargate police station, the area where this incident happened, and all the police officials, senior police officials have been found out to different areas of the city to gather information.
Imtiaz, stay with us. We'll just play out what the Pune police commissioner had said. Information, of course, coming in. We understand that this man is in his 30s and went berserk, driving through almost everything that he found in his way at peak hour traffic at about 8:15 this morning.
There is a licensed bus driver of Maharashtra ST Mahamandal. His name is Santosh Maruti Mane. He is on duty. He is not under suspension, and till yesterday he was plying the vehicle as per the duty chart given to him. He came to Swargate depot at around 7:30 last evening. Today morning around 8:15 he took charge of a bus of Satara depot, and he just went berserk. From bus depot he went to Seven Love Chowk, he went to East Street, he went to Saras Bagh. On the way he went on ramming whatever vehicles were plying on the road. Sometimes he has even hit the pedestrians, and 8:15, as you understand, is the school going timing of children. Some places the citizens came forward and literally threw the children away from the road. He was in such a dangerous kind of mood.
The interrogation is going on by the crime branch in Pune city. As of now, we cannot prematurely we can come to the conclusion, but it appears he has some problem. His name is Santosh Maruti Mane. His age is 30 years. The interrogation is going on. You can get the detail after later on. He was controlled because ultimately he was just hitting this whatever coming in his way. And ultimately he himself dashed on this rider, and this bus stopped. That the police wale, they were also after him. Police wale, they blocked the way, and he was found out.
Total there were 6 number of patients. 4 were injured and 2 were already dead. All 4 of them have fracture. There's no helpline as such. There's a mobile number which I can give you. 985